Hello again, friends. If you are watching this video, you are trying to figure out how to update your firmware on your Canon printer, large format printer, imagePROGRAF. So I have another video that shows you how to prepare the printer and put the printer in download mode. I will link to that video in the description of this video, but for this one you will need this is on your computer side, you need the Firmware Update Tool, and you can get that from the Canon website, usa.canon.com, C-A-N-O-N, and you can search for your model printer and download the appropriate firmware update tool for whatever your OS is. Once you download it, you must unzip it and install it, and once you get to that point, you will be looking at this screen as soon as you launch the firmware update tool. Notice it's going to show you a status. It's going to show you the model name. Right now I've turned off all of my other printers in the showroom so that it only reflects the 670. It shows you the current version that is on your printer. Okay, so this block right here, current version, that is what model or what version of the firmware is presently on your printer. The update version is the version, the most recent version or update of the firmware for your model printer. So you will see right now I am, my model is current, obviously, with the most recent version. But if these numbers do not match for you, this grayed out block right here will be open for you, and will be available for you to click. You will just click that and your firmware will begin updating. If you're connected via network, you will see an IP address here. If you are connected via USB, the firmware update tool will also work, but you'll see a USB connection there. So once your printer is prepared and in download mode, and you've determined that you do need a firmware update, you select your printer, this will be lit up, you click it, and the software does the rest for you. As soon as the printer is finished updating the firmware, it will turn itself off. All you need to do is simply turn it back on, and you are ready to go. Firmware updates have a tendency to fix a lot of really buggy problems. If you're noticing any type of errors, or if you're noticing any type of issues, communication issues, information not transferring, squares or blocks where data should be, firmware updates can solve that problem for you. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel because we're BA like that, and we'll talk again soon. Bye-bye now.